So for me, my passion has been throughout my whole career is to really always to ensure that dental hygienists are using optimal instruments. And so I have been practicing all over Canada. I've gone to many different practices to help them with their instrumentation, with their sharpening techniques. I speak at conferences. I know what's out there, and to me the most important thing is for dental hygienists to recognize when they need to replace their instruments, to never compromise, not for one day, because it'll turn into a week, it'll turn into a year, it'll turn into multiple years. If you're in a practice that will not buy you your own instruments, I strongly encourage you to invest in yourself. They will last you so long if you're the only one using them. If you're using the Duragrade Max stainless steel, then you are going to get such a good life out of them. You'll sharpen them yourself, and it's the same with the Sharpen Free. You set yourself up for success, you get your own, invest in yourself, and you will enjoy your practice so much more.